With a bass and the clearest sound around. Me I do it in Canana. Simon Jackson Productions. Mr. Yonachan, ome ona yona iniko na yone mwana. Epilora koi kesane tono kwekaje, kiziri kina tacha kisolo sine. Lale mikita puseru kedi koko kobele musingara kino toro kwela tarakine. Nyama silo musala tuwe chamsana kwani wanyi kese kele kamute maekeke. Salata puseru neni kedi koko, era bakirito era nyama mukeke. Tumekuja sana tumebamba flow, we have to tell them to style up. Cause we in the mood, and we got the attitude now to make them be happy. Tumekuja sana tumebamba flow, we have to tell them to style up. Cause we in the mood, and we got the attitude now to make them be happy. Nera koti boro la bure bala tesi no gwela kina saduko gwela kina suko gwela kina chona bati kede waya. Mama nyakina beru dobi koni neni jai kina kitu kijai kina chona sabunyu keda munyu. Bala mamelo mune mami body yata walaya. Check now. Merekezi suno tunge koto scenari tunga dobo de pir. Dobi koni nene koto sikesa upake di tunga koni neni belo kini je purosho meteje dodi tajo kede do pepo koriti dobi wongo noli de una nyobi body swama unete. Almighty Father. In the meantime, because you have to tell them to style up. And the no kutango mutesonga tude kumesa na basukuruba mutesanga batesa. Twava mubiri ne tudangobi no katite tuchali mundikiza. Abali basenga bakakuluno twabazikiza. Tumekuja sana tumebamba flow. We have to tell them to style up. Cause we in the mood, and we got the attitude now to make them be happy. Tumekuja sana tumebamba flow. We have to tell them to style up. Cause we in the mood, and we got the attitude now to make them be happy. All of them rude, some of them rude. Some of them say Mr. Yonachan good. Some of them say Mr. Yonachan rule. Me have to tell them to style up. All of them who is them friends around. Me have to tell them to style up. All of them who fight to be number one. Me have to tell them to style up. Unu kerele gongeti galin. Me have to tell them to style up. Tell them unu le koto seneri luchetunga. Tell them to style up. Munu le kodo si boro la bure bala tesi ni kumbe bure. Tell them to style up. Some of them say that nigga putting on swag. That thing is putting on canag. Some of them say bad man put on a rag. They coulda never know that bad man coulda come in another different saga. Some of them coulda say nigga. Some of them coulda say nigga bad nigga. Teba sobolo tulaba kuba tubalaba. Tubale kaone tuba sangula o tulinga dasta. We have to tell them to style up. Some of them coulda never stop to chat around. I have to tell them to style up. Some of them coulda move around chat about Batman. Me have to tell them to style up. Some of them me have to tell them to mind them business. All of them now have to style up. My selector, forgive them, tell them to style up. A future music.
Maximum respect to Canon Records.